Okay, so we do have a JBL headphone here, headset. It is E65 BT. I have a few tools here. This is the charger that comes with it. And we want to check out if we can replace or remove those ear pads, and we'll look at how we do this. First thing we do here, you see this thing is running on. We're going to turn that off. So now it's turned off, and then we could do left or right, one of both. We have to go in between here, this plastic in the middle here. There, right? We go there where we don't see it so much. In here, I thought about using this, like this here, and then you heard the cracking noise. There we go. There's one off. See that? You can do the same here on this side. Get in between here. The thinner you have it, the better, the less you damage it. And we'll find where it gives away the most here. See that? There we go. This was the right one. You can see there is right, here is left. And when we look at the buttons, the left side does not have any buttons, just the charging port. And the right side has all the buttons. So when we put this together later, when we put this together, then we know where the right side is. The right side is here, the left side is here. This is the one with the buttons. This here is the one with the charging port. Alright? Do we need to take this apart any further? As you can see here, this is all glued together. So if you want to replace this, that's a little bit difficult. You know, this is like a one-time situation here. It's all glued together. Difficult to replace, so you need to buy the exact muff. I don't know if that is available already, because those are not that old. I'm gonna make a second video where I show how it looks like inside here. Not sure if I should do this. They are working very well, so maybe not. But if you need a new battery, it's probably on this side. Oh, can we see this from the weight? No. But I guess it's underneath here. Yeah, so that's how you get those off. And if you want to put them back on, it fits only once. Like this, and then just push it on all the way. You hear it cracking. Here, like this. Push it on. And there it is. Both are back together. Perfect. And so this is leather really. And they will last forever anyway.